Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery, your go-to page to master your favorite tech platforms. For today's video, I will show you how to use image to animated style in BlueWillow AI. To animate an image in BlueWillow, first is we should upload an image to transform it into animated style. We'll try first this picture, and then we will get the link of this image first. First option to get the link is to select the image, and when we long press the mouse cursor here, drag it. It will reflect the link of the image. Second option is to open in web browser and copy the link in the URL box. After we had the link, copy and paste it beside the prompt word and type in animated style, and we'll wait for a few moments. Here is our generated image. As we can see here, it is not that accurate with the original image uploaded. We'll try another image to animate. Let's try this panda. Repeat the same step. Type in /imagine prompt and paste the link of the image beside the prompt word and type in animated style. In here, it's like a shape and color of the panda. Let's try another, and let's see if we have nice results here. Oh, here! This one is truly generated in animated style. Let's try this picture, and let's see again if it has nice result. Well, just need to be patient here to see good result. So here from this picture to its animated style pictures. As we observe here, not all picture could be generated in its accurate animated version. It depends on the picture or image on how it is focused on the subject. And that is how to turn image to animated style in BlueWillow AI. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!